Imagine an app that listens to your voice and automatically turns it into organized notes. Sounds cool, right? But before going forward, I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. This app, Plaud AI Notemaker, does exactly that. You just talk and it creates clean bullet points, summaries, highlights, everything that you want. Some useful features this app provides to you: voice to notes, summaries of meetings and lectures, auto bullet points, export to PDF or docs, work in multiple languages. It's perfect for the students and also for teachers, office peoples, anyone who attends meetings or lectures. Instead of writing everything down, you just speak and the app organizes your thoughts for you. Use it once, you will stop taking notes manually. And yeah, subscribe for more productive tools. And don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends. I will see you. Goodbye. Best of luck.